Welcome to ZoTok. Let's discover the powerful benefits of sending invoices through India's first AI-powered conversational commerce engine on WhatsApp. ZoTok simplifies your order, invoice, and payment cycles. Here's how it can transform your business. Creating and sending invoices through ZoTok is quick and easy. Just create the invoice in our app and send it directly to WhatsApp with one click. Key benefits include searchable invoices, automatic reminders, revenue insights, digital invoices on WhatsApp, and automatic team updates. Here's a real-time example: how an invoice is created, sent, and received on WhatsApp in seconds. How customers can view and pay directly in the chat. Ready to experience the benefits? Contact us today and start using ZoTok for efficient invoicing. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more updates and tips. Let ZoTok help you take your business to the next level.